Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the drive belt in your washer, be sure to unplug the power cord and turn off the hot and cold water supply valves. You should first disconnect the water supply hoses from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill out. Now, use tape to secure the lid. Carefully tip the washer forward so the front of the cabinet rests on a blanket or towel. Now remove the screws securing the belt cover and pull the cover off. If still intact, rotate the belt towards the drive pulley as you pull the old belt towards you to remove. Install the new drive belt by first looping it onto the motor pulley. Then loop the belt onto the drive pulley and rotate the pulley to fully align the belt. Replace the cover and secure it with the screws. Carefully lift the washer to its upright position and remove the tape securing the lid. Reconnect the water supply hoses to the inlet valve and turn the water supply back on. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the washer is functioning properly. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.